If you want to create professional PowerPoint slides faster using AI, this video is going to help a lot. Today I'm showing you how to use Gemini to make PowerPoint slides step by step, even if you're completely new to it. This is a great workflow for students, creators, teachers, marketers, and anyone who wants to turn an idea or document into a presentation without starting from scratch. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, go to Gemini and open a new chat. Once you're inside, look for the plus icon. This is where you can add more input options. Click the plus icon, then click Canvas. Canvas is the feature that helps Gemini create and organize longer content visually, which makes it much better for building a slide deck. Now you need to tell Gemini exactly what kind of presentation you want. You can either type a clear prompt or upload source documents like notes, a text file, or a PDF. The more specific you are, the better the result will be. For example, you could type something like, create a 10-slide presentation on renewable energy trends, including a theme and images. That gives Gemini a topic, a slide count, and a clear style direction. If you already have research, class notes, or meeting content, you can upload that instead, so Gemini can build the presentation from your source material. After you submit the prompt, wait a moment while Gemini maps out the structure and builds the slide deck. This part may take a little time depending on the length of your content, but Gemini will usually generate a draft presentation with headings, structure, and visual direction. Take a quick look through the slides to make sure the flow makes sense and that the content matches what you want. If something looks off, you can refine your prompt and regenerate it until you get a better result. Once the presentation preview is ready, look at the top of the generated deck and click the Export to Slides button. This is the step that sends your Gemini-created presentation into Google Slides. After that, open the newly created file in Google Slides. You'll now have your presentation in an editable format where you can fine-tune text, images, layouts, colors, and anything else you want to customize. Now, if your final goal is a PowerPoint file, this part is very simple. In Google Slides, go to File, then Download, and choose Microsoft PowerPoint.pptx. That will save your presentation as a PowerPoint file on your computer. From there, you can open it in Microsoft PowerPoint, share it with others, or continue editing in the format you need. A few quick tips before you go. Try to keep your prompt specific, because Gemini works best when it knows the number of slides, the topic, and the style you want. If you're using a PDF or notes, make sure the source is clean and organized so the output is more accurate. And if the first version is not perfect, don't worry, because you can always revise the prompt and improve the slides with another pass. And that's how to use Gemini to make PowerPoint slides from start to finish. You go from Gemini to Canvas, generate the deck, export it to Google Slides, and then download it as a PowerPoint file. It's a fast and efficient way to build presentations with AI, and it can save you a huge amount of time. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple AI and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.